State versus Regina Potts. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
All right, I'm doing fine. How are you doing?
It's great.
Can I have parties announced?
Eddie Garcia.
And are you Miss Potts?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Potts, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
And is your last name Potts or Potter?
Potts with an S. Potts.
Okay. So any objection to the court correcting?
No, not at all.
Okay. All right, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, state it will move to waive the enhancement allegation.
Any objection?
Your Honor.
Ms. Potts, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Potts, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, I am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you can be deported, not allowed to re-enter, and denied naturalization. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There's an $800 fine. State is recommending community supervision. They're taking in consideration 2025 PF 39082, 39083, 39084. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, no contact with target on Fredericksburg Road, the anti-theft course DOEP, and the MRT. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer states Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Oh, and do you have for me to sign?
I'm sending to intake to
All right, thank you.
that way.
Ms. Potts, did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate
Yes, ma'am.
places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
Yes. And Your Honor,
All right, if we can go off the record. All right. The court has accepted into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments. After reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court is making the following findings. Within regards to the police report, there is one officer who says that this happened on October 1st, 2024. There is another report that says that this happened on August 3rd, 2024. The court is going to find that the evidence is insufficient to find the defendant guilty of the offense as charged, and the court will find the defendant not guilty. So what that means with the finding of not guilty, then that means that the other cause numbers, those are still pending because I'm not taking those into consideration because I found you not guilty of this offense. I'm sorry, can I have the trial closer? Thank you. And we can go off the record. What I can tell you is whatever your issues are, previously you told me while the state and the defense were speaking about the issue with the police report, you were telling me that you're former Air Force.
yes, sir.
So there are plenty of places. This is supposed to be Military USA. There are plenty of places that can help you, but you've got to reach out to them. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Abrams, can you see if Herman can come down just to give her information on where she can go to get the help she needs? She's military. All right, they're going to give you some information.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
You're welcome.